and welcome to our mobile video on updating your day on the fly. It is rare that a day goes to plan. You may have cancelled meetings, you may finish up meetings early or overrun, and never mind traffic incidents. While planning is important, you have to be dynamic in your day and adjust to everything that life throws at you. With the eSpatial mobile app, you can start with an order route for the day and update it on the fly. You can manually add in a customer that you would like to add, or you can let eSpatial do it for you, using the Optimize Day option. You can add a stop or optimize your route by selecting the plus icon. From here, the options of Optimize Day and Add Stop will appear. Optimize Route allows you to re-optimize your day based on the shortest distance, potential sales, last check-in or stop time. Add Stop allows you to set a specific time to visit a selected stop, or you can allow eSpatial to schedule an optimal time to visit. Once you select Confirm, you can then choose a stop to visit from your list or map view. In the list view, you can choose to filter your data by an attribute for your accounts or by the drive time to each stop from your location. In the map view, you can use the address search to find new prospects to visit. Once the address is added to your map, select it and then select Add Stop to add it to your schedule. If an appointment cancels, you can also choose to remove the stop from your route. To do this, select the stop on your route and select Remove Stop. Thank you for watching our mobile video. If you have any questions, you can contact us by emailing help@espatial.com or by selecting the chat button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen.